Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello, friends, this is Pick a Card reading about how will be stock market investments for you in year 2021, whether you should invest in stock market or not. So again, 1 to 10 numbers, all you need to do is to pick one number, and turn by turn I'll do the readings for all the numbers. So hope you must have picked the number for you. Now I'll start with number 1. For number 1, now if someone is starting new, if you are a beginner, then it's going to be difficult, but you will do well in the year 2021. Those who have chosen number 1, cards are suggesting that invest in companies where financials are sound, stable companies. Also, if they want to take some risk, they can take risk with some aviation stocks. Because of COVID-19, uh, there is in lots of countries travel has been banned, so aviation stocks are not doing well. They are at cheaper rates right now. So if they'll take some risk, they will get some good returns in these stocks also. But my suggestion, looking at the cards, only go ahead with sound companies, companies with sound financials. Now, those who have chosen number 2, here. Now, here chances of losses due to misguidance, mis-selling. So, consult only those people on whom you have 100% faith. Do not go ahead and consult just anyone and take the risk. Number 1. Then again, healthcare, pharma, and real estate or infrastructure. These three sectors can bring you good results. So concentrate on these companies and you are more likely to do well. But be careful of mis-selling and misguidance. Now, those who have chosen number 3, what the card suggests for them. Now, if you are very much confused whether to go ahead in stock market or not, better you should stay with cash or invest in debt market like fixed deposits or bonds. All in all, I can see some satisfactory returns, uh, say 8 to 10%. Don't go for higher returns. Don't become greedy. That's what I will suggest, because you might end up taking wrong decisions. So that was for number 3. Now for number 4. Number 4 looks good. You will do well in stock market in the year 2021. Now, looking at the cards, I'll suggest that you come out of your comfort zone, take some risk, because by that you will get some good stocks at cheaper rates, looks like. Also, exports, companies with exports or multinational companies will certainly give you good results, which are have highly dependent on exports. Such companies will give you good results. Now, those who have chosen number 5. Now, those who have chosen number 5, looks like year 2021 will give you good money from stock market. But be careful, don't be greedy, because there are also chances of some unexpected losses. But yes, year 2021 will certainly give you some very good profits. All of a sudden, you can call it like a jackpot. So keep your fingers crossed and stay invested. Now, those who have chosen number 6, how will be year 2021 for stock market investment? Excellent cards. Only one word: profit. So, just carry on what you are doing. Carry on with your investments, and if you are a long term investor, you will certainly do well. All in all, a very good year for you for stock market investments. Now, number 7, terrible. One word: terrible. Do not invest. Keep your money with yourself in cash or safe in bank fixed deposits or bonds or money market mutual funds. That's what I will suggest looking at these cards. Year 2021 is not for you to enter into stock market. You will lose your money. Number 8. Looks like a very good year ahead for you people, those who have chosen number 8. But yes, if you'll invest in top notch companies who are king in the markets, then you will certainly do well. Top companies in market capitalization, market share, something like that, you will do very well, and there will be celebrations. Beware of greed. Don't be too greedy, otherwise high chances that you might lose also money. Number 9, those who have chosen number 9, year will be of ups and downs, but still you would be able to gain from stock market, especially from real estate stocks or healthcare stocks, and also jewelry stocks, jewelry or gold related companies who are into jewelry and gold related. So, all in all, you are going to be in profits. Now, number 10, those who have chosen number 10. Looking at these cards, I'll suggest you better not invest in stock market in the year 2021. Keep your cash safely with yourself and wait for right time. That's what I'll suggest looking at these cards, because you are not going to get expected returns. And if you are a long term investor, then fine, it is okay. Otherwise, if you are looking for a short term investment, say 3 months to 1 year's time, no, absolutely no, you are not going to get any benefit. So that's it. Hope you all like the reading. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe and also keep giving me your ideas, suggestions, and feedbacks. Thank you.